Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I do my makeup every day for work. When I'm gonna go get groceries or when I just don't feel like glamming up completely. If I sound a little bit stuffy, it's because I am. I got sick. I work at a hospital and this lady coughed right in my face, so that was fun. After applying my skincare, I go in with my foundation, the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus foundation. This foundation is amazing. It's very affordable, like $6. It has great coverage, it's very buildable, and it doesn't break me out, so it's my fave. I'm blending it in with my EcoTools Total Perfecting Blender. I love this thing. It's super affordable and it's still really soft, and the way that it's built, it's perfect for blending, baking, and getting under the eye area. Now to contour a little bit, I'm just gonna grab a darker shade. I have this no filter concealer from ColourPop. Honestly, I think it's a little bit too dark for me, but since they do sell them online only, I couldn't really swatch my shade, so I will buy a lighter one next time. And I'm blending it in with the small stipple brush from e.l.f. Now I'm applying the no filter concealer in 30 medium under my eyes, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my upper lip, and my chin, and I'm blending it out with the sponge. You guys, this concealer is my life. I love this concealer. It has such an amazing coverage and it's only $6, so I definitely recommend it. I used to use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I still love it, but for $6, that's like a steal, especially if it's part of your everyday makeup. Now, because I have oily skin, I have to set my makeup with powder in order for it to last the whole day. So I use the Coty Airspun Translucent Extra Coverage Powder, and I just take a little bit on my e.l.f. blush brush and I set my under eye, my forehead, my nose, chin, and upper lip, and then I take a big fluffy brush, dip it in, tap it a little bit, and then use the powder that's left on the brush to set the rest of my face. I like to emphasize my contour, so I'm gonna use this Park Ave Princess Chisel palette from Tarte. That's such a long name. And I'll go over my cheeks. I'll do a little bit on my forehead, down my nose, and under my chin, just to look, you know, a little bit all put together. And after I'm done with my powder contour, I like to take the big fluffy brush and go over my whole face to kind of soften up a little bit if I went a little bit too hard, you know, because at that time in the morning, I'm just ready to go. Then after that, I just apply my current favorite blush. Right now, I'm using the Coral Cove by Milani. I've had this for years now. Moving on to brows, I use my trusty Dipbrow pomade from Anastasia in medium brown with my Makeup Geek dual ended brow brush. I tried recording as best as I could my brow tutorial for you guys, but I would get on my own way in front of the camera. So if you guys want an in-depth tutorial, then I can definitely make that for you guys. Of course, I'll keep in mind next time that I'm actually recording. So to briefly explain it, I basically connect the dots with the hairs on the lower part of the brow. Of course, keeping in mind the whole arch thing and the angles. I want to go over this with you guys in the in-depth brow tutorial. And then I brush all my hairs down and I finish the shape of how I want the brow to look. I don't know how to explain it. I think I'm better at showing you guys, so I think I will make that brow tutorial. Now here I'm just taking any foundation or powder that got on my lips, and I'm setting my face with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in Rose. It smells amazing, you guys. Now for the best part of this tutorial, we are going to highlight. This is my Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighter in Golden Flower Crown. I'm gonna take my crown brush, soft fan brush, spray it with the Fix Plus, and then just go to town. I don't know why I just feel like I sounded like somebody at Disney explaining a ride or something. for those of you who don't normally highlight and would like to start, I apply some on the top of my cheekbones, on my inner eye corner, under my brow, and on my nose, as you will see soon. Now for the very last part of my makeup tutorial, I will curl my lashes and just apply my favorite mascara at the moment. I stay changing mascara, so I'm not really gonna recommend any in particular. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something new, or this made you want to try something new. If you guys want to see anything in particular, definitely let me know and I will make that for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell, because now YouTube doesn't let you know when I upload. And yeah, that's it, you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
You